Hey, I'm here with Garrett and Tyler, and we're going to test out the Aluma Wallet. Hi, Tyler. You're going to be driving the truck. Garrett, show us the Aluma Wallet. I don't have... It is a true Aluma Wallet. I don't have great hopes for it because I already dropped it and the catch broke off. So let's put it in front of the tire, and we're going to run over it just like they do in the commercial. All right, Tyler, rock it. Let's go. That does not look good. I would say that the Aluma Wallet is no match for the Action Church truck.